Good morning everyone, I am Praveen Kumar Rai and welcome to Monastic Online Classes, and we are going to discuss on the topic area. And actually means we are going to discuss the topic area. First question comes here, what is area? It means first we have to know definition of area, and what we have learned saying that this plane surface means this plane surface actually bounded by which this boundary line of which figure, that is plane figure, is known as area, and this area can be measured in which, that is a square unit, like a square millimeter, a square centimeter, a square meter, etc. But in this topic, actually we have to know how to find out the formula of the plane figure, like rectangles, a square, circle, like triangles. So for this, simply we first rectangles. So we are knowing here, simply we can take here rectangle. It means what? In this rectangle, what we are saying, this part is length and this part is breadth. It means what? It means that to find this area of the figure, simply you can say that area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Second point is square. In a square, what we are finding here? In a square, we are finding that all sides are equal. It means what? When all sides are equal, it means what? This is also length, 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 length. So that's why area of a square is equal to L square. Means what? L into L. Third point, area of triangle. It means what? The for triangle, what you can say? See, this part means what? The surface. This surface is base and this perpendicular means this is height. So that's what you can say. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Number 4, parallelogram, base into height. Circle, pi r square, or you can use there pi d square by 4. Means these are some formulas by which we can find the area of plane figure, and for that some questions regarding to this topic we have taken here, so that we will feel simple, easy to calculate such type of the questions regarding to plane figures. Okay, actually now we are going to find the area of this figure, means 1A. It means in this figure actually we are seeing that is triangle, and we have to find the area of triangles which we are going to solve here. See, it means the what we are seeing actually this part means what? This surface is base. That's why I take here. Means base B equals to 12 cm, height H is equal to 10 cm. That means we are to find which area of triangle, that is A is equal to what? So we are knowing what we have known, means we know that what area is equal to which the already have known that half base into height. It means what? Half. It means base. Base how much here? 12 cm. So now take 12 cm into height. Height how much given here? 10 cm. That's why 10 centimeter. So now you have to see here by these two, any part, either this 12 or 10. Any part we can cut, which we feel simple there. So like simply 2 6 12. After this, what to do? After this, multiply this 10, 6 and 1. The how much? The 10 6 is 60. A 60 plus 1 how much? 60 into 1, that is 60. A cm into cm how much? That is a square cm. So like this, simply we can find area of triangles. Similarly, now after that, we are going to find out this question number 1b, which is based on which that plane figure is parallelogram. Okay, now see, what we are seeing now means again this surface means what? Surface means that is base. Now take care that base B equals to 14 cm. This height H is equal to 12 cm. And after that we are saying opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's why what you have to find, that is area of parallelogram. Means what you have to find? Area of parallelogram. And for this we are knowing what? That area is equal to base into height. Means this base into height. Where this base is how much? The 14 centimeter into height is 12 cm. After this, what we have to do? Now multiply this 14 and 12. So how much we get? Simply you can say that is 168 square cm. So how comes? By multiplying this 14 and 12. Means 168 and cm into cm how much? That is a square centimeter. And after this, our third question. What is there? Third question is based on your circle. It means now we have to find out area of circle. Okay. See, now actually we are seeing this figure is circle, and in this circle what we are finding, that this chord is passing through the center. It means when that passes through the center, it means what? Diameter given here. Take care. That means diameter D equals to 28 centimeter. It means what? When diameter is given here, from this diameter we have to find out radius. After this radius we have to find out area of circle. And for this radius we are knowing what? That radius is equal to half of its diameter. And diameter how much given here? That is 28 centimeter by 2. So how much? That means 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. It means 14 centimeter. After this, what we have to find out? Area of circle. And for this we are knowing. What we know? That area of circle is equal to pi r square. Means the now question comes, this pi value how much? That means 22 by 7 into a radius how much? The 14 centimeter whole square. After this, what we have to do? Take 22 by 7. Means square means what? 2 times 14 cm into 14 cm. So how much coming? 7 to the 14. After this, take 22 into 14 to the 28. A cm into cm, a square cm. So how much comes? When you multiply this both, how much coming? That is 616 square cm. So how comes? When you multiply this 22 and 28. How much comes? That is 616 square centimeter. And like this, we are going to find next figure. And in next figure, what we are seeing here? It means in this figure we are finding here three parts like a first, second, third. So now question comes here. Such type of question, how can we find out the area? So for this, let's see how we solve this question number 1T. Okay, see, actually what we are finding in this figure is seeing the three parts. It means when three parts is there, the first of all name this, take one A, B and C. Why? Because to make it simple and easier, we have named A, B and C. The first, find this area of this rectangle A, area of rectangle B and area of rectangle C. After finding all this area A, B and C, after that we have to add means all area of rectangle A, area of rectangle B and area of rectangle C to get the area of whole parts, means whole figure. Now take here. Take solution here, means take 4A, means what we are seeing here for A, see, it means for this length and breadth, see, the take their length is equal to 3 cm, breadth is equal to 4 cm. Same, after same area is equal to, means for which for rectangle A, means for this A we are finding here what? That area of rectangle A. Same. So what we are knowing, we can say, we know that area of rectangle A is equal to length into breadth, where length is 3 cm, breadth is 4 cm. Now multiply times 4 3 are 12, a cm into cm, a square cm. Similarly, now find area of this rectangle B. Now take 4B. 4B length is total 8 cm. Now question comes a breadth. But see, total part, how much? 6 cm. In this total 6 cm, in which this much length is 4 cm. It means to find this part, what to do? This total minus this length, this part will easily come. That's why I take 6 cm minus 4 cm. That is 2 cm, which that is the breadth for B. Now take area of rectangle B is equal to what? Again we are knowing what? That area of rectangle is equal to L into B. The length, how much given? 8 cm. Breadth, how much? 2 cm. How much coming? The 8 2 ja 16. A cm into cm, a square cm. After this, now we have to find area of this rectangle C. So now take 4C. Length is equal to how much? See, 3 cm. Breadth is equal to 4 cm. And area of rectangle C is equal to what? The take area is equal to, similarly, the take here, we know that what? That area is equal to L into B. It means length, how much given here? It means 3 cm. A breadth, how much? 4 cm. It means 4 3 are 12 square cm. It means what? So now we have got area of rectangle A 12 square cm, area of rectangle B 16 square cm, and area of rectangle C 12 square cm. So now we are going to find area of whole figure. So now take. Okay. See, means now we have got area of rectangle A, B, and C. Now easily can say area of figure is equal to, which simply take area of rectangle A plus area of rectangle B plus area of rectangle C. See, A how much came? 12 square cm, B 16 square cm, and C 12 square cm. How much coming? That means simply say at 12 plus 16 plus 12. How much comes? That is 40 square cm. So like this, easily you can find the area. See, after this, in this question, what we are seeing here, in this question, first we have to find out, see, two triangle, 1, 2. It means first you have to find area of triangles, after that area of rectangle, and where you got area of triangle and area of rectangles. After that, easily we can find area of this figure. How? By adding this area of triangles plus area of rectangle. Okay, see, number 2. Question is find the area of shaded region in the following. It means what? First of all, you have to see the figure. So what I find in this figure, we are finding first one is this whole part is parallelograms. That's why first find area of parallelogram. After that, we have to find this area of triangle. And when you got this area of parallelogram and area of triangles, then now our question is we have to find this area. So how to find? Simply can say area of shaded region is equal to area of parallelograms minus area of triangles. And when you do the subtract, simply you can get the area of these shaded parts. Similarly, in this question, what we are finding here? That we are finding first the whole figure. Whole figure, what we are finding? This is a rectangle. When these rectangles, the first find area of rectangle. After that, we are seeing that one triangle and two triangle. It means first find this area of triangle, first area of triangle second. After that, add both. When you add these both, it means what? After that, do difference from this whole part. And when you do difference from this whole part, easily you will get the area of these shaded regions. Number 3, first find area of this whole part. Part means what? This is a rectangle. That's why first find area of rectangle. Then see this figure. This figure also we are seeing what? This is also rectangle. So why? This length is 15 cm. Breadth is how much? 2 cm. To find area of this part. After that, do difference. From which? From this whole part. So what will come? The area of this shaded region will come there. So like this, easily you can find the area of shaded region. Okay. See, means question given there, area of square garden is 600. It means what we are finding here? Means this area is given 625 square cm. It means what here? Area is equal to 625 square cm. After here, first question is find its length. So you are knowing what? That area of a square is equal to what? Simply as L square. From this, easily you can find the length. After finding the length, number 2, what we are saying, find the cost of fencing. It's worth 5 round. It means what? First, say 5 per meter. It means when there is per meter. It means what? After that, you have to find here perimeter. So how you know? Due to this per meter. First find perimeter. After finding the perimeter, it means what? Of this one round. It means one round when you find the perimeter. Easily, you can find in 5 is 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4 round, and 5 round. The total cost will be how much? So what do you say? The fourth is first get area. You are knowing or 625 square meter is equal to L square, or take L, this square goes that. It means what? A square root. How much coming? That is 25 meter. And when length comes, then take perimeter is equal to 4 here. It means what? 4 into length is 25 meter. How much coming? 100 meter. It means what? After this, now question is total cost to fence how much? 5 round. Take to fence 5 round is equal to. How much 1 round? 100 meter. Take 100 meter into 5 round. Take 5 and cost is areas 25 per meter. Now multiply how? 25 into 5 how much? The 125. How much? 20. Take 20. This meter and per meter both cancel. That's how much? The areas 12,500 is the total cost for which? To fence this garden. Okay, these are some questions regarding to the area as we have solved previous. And these are some questions for you and solve it. And when it will reopen, it will be checked.